What is up, party people? Welcome to Hays, Kansas. The largest city in northwest Kansas. Locals say it is a great, close community with a small town feel, but without the shortcomings of a small town, because it has everything you need. If you find yourself here, you've got to check out Gella's. I hope I'm saying that right, but it is a great bar with some incredible beer. Here we play the Beach Schmidt Performing Arts Center on the campus of Fort Hays State University. The theater was built in 1987 and seats just over 1,100. FHSU has a very competitive athletics program with more than a handful of their alumni going pro after they graduate. Here we just played a one-nighter performance. Ryan wasn't feeling well again, so Michael went on for the role of Dennis Dupree once again, which means I was doing a split track of myself and Michael and doing the sleazy producer bit. Next stop, Omaha, Nebraska. Thanks so much for coming out, chase your dreams, and cheers.